Now, welcome everyone in the class 11th of Physical Education, Unit 9 Psychology and Sports. In this unit, we will focus today on the topic Management of Adolescent Problems. Through these points, we are trying to understand how to tackle or how to manage the adolescent problems. At first, we will take this point the proper knowledge of adolescent psychology. The teacher, parents, guardians, or even friends also, they are always try to understand the mentality or the psychology of the adolescent child, because through the change in the behavior of adolescent child, that is very important. Through that, the elders can judge what is the psychology or what is the mentality of adolescent child, and on the behalf of that, the parents, guardian, teachers, even friends also, they should try to always the adolescent child to cooperate and to adjust with them, because in that adolescent period the child is having a very good energy or full of energy and full of curiosity also, and in that age especially the child wants to do something different from the others. That's why what is going on in their mind or in their psychology, it is very important. And on the behalf of that, through the behavior of adolescent child, we should much take care about it. We should guide them, we should cooperate them, we should just try to always come out from the stress or stressful situations, because in that period, if the child has taken a very positive way, then child can be success in their life easily. Second point, the providing healthy environment. Teachers, parents, guardians, even friends also, they all should try to the positive or healthy environment to provide to the adolescent child always, because through the healthy environment the positive way and positive path will get the adolescent child, and through that the child has gone on a very positive way. So that's why healthy environment is very must for the adolescent child. Next point is proper sex education. In that age, on the behalf of the attraction towards the opposite sex, the child has always trying to on his outlook personality, and through the attraction of regarding the opposite sex also, the child has tried to ignore the parents or guardians, etc. That's why in that period the sex education is must for the adolescent child. On the behalf of that, the child able to know or able to differentiate regarding the negative or positive educations of sex. Through that, they can also be healthy in their life also. So through these points, we have to be manage adolescent problems easily. Thank you.